How $1.2 billion cruise ships are built. Welcome to the world's largest shipyard mega factory.
Wir müssen die Sektion C2 vor dem Mittagessen anheben. Stellen Sie außerdem sicher, dass die LNG-Leitungen gesichert sind.
All right, bring it over to Bay 3. Nice and slow.
Copy that. Coming across now.
Morning, everyone. As you can see on the board, we hit our Q3 target with 0 incidents. Let's maintain that focus on safety today, especially at the tool stations.
The measurements are consistent across the grid. Good.
Mark Section 4 as approved.
Control to Spotter 1. Confirm clearance on Sector 4.
Sector 4 is clear. Transport proceeding nominal.
All right, bring it down 50. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Steady, steady. Hold it. Stop the drop. All right, push it left. Got it. Hold it steady. Lower it down now.
We need to verify the connection point for the HVAC line right here.
Confirmed. The bracket alignment looks correct according to the schematic.
Bring it down 20 centimeters slowly. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Check the gain setting on that last scan. The reflection looks slightly off spec.
Copy that, Director. Adjusting and rescanning the weld crown now.
We are clear of the walkway on the port side.
Confirmed. Continue approach to the alignment markers.
Stern section is aligned. We are clear for welding.
Roger that. Engaging supports now.
The alignment looks perfect. How are the laser readings, Daniel?
Within tolerance, team lead.
Logged and confirmed.
Steady, keep it steady.
We are clear of the opening.
All right, hold it now. Hold it right there. A little more to the left. Bring the main feeder over here. Watch the conduit.
Lower the panel easy now.
Clear below, make sure it's secure.
We need the next section ready.
All right, keep it coming up easy now. Watch your stabilization on the port side.
We are clear on this end, Foreman.
Easy now, easy. Hold it right there. We have alignment. Set it down.
Bring her down 20 centimeters. Hold it there, we're aligned on the starboard side.
Lowering sequence steady. We have primary contact. Roger that. Verification complete.
Clear the path, coming through.
Lower the ducting slowly. Watch the red line.
Lower the main conduit slowly. Watch the clearance on the yellow line.
Roger that. Lock in the flange now.
Connection is secure.
Readings are stable across all phases. Go ahead and flip the main.
Hitting the speaker test in 3, 2, 1. Check the levels up top. Levels are peaking slightly on the left array.
The finish on the hull is absolutely flawless, truly stunning work.
Agreed. All systems reporting green. We are ready for handover.
Helm and navigation systems nominal.
Weapons and defense, all systems green, Captain. We are ready.
Very good. Engage.
Water level confirmed. We have separation.
Buoyancy achieved. Great work, team.